Hello children, I am your teacher and today we are learning English. So children, alphabets we have reached P, Q, right? We have almost reached the end. Okay, we have learned so many alphabets. Okay, and I give you practice. It means I tell you to write in your notebook and practice. Then you can also write in some other rough book and practice also, right? You should write again and again. Don't otherwise you will forget. Okay, children. We have reached letter Q. Q is also done. Then what comes after Q? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay, so today we are going to learn letter R. Okay, let us take the page. So this is how capital and small letter R looks like. This is capital R and this is small letter R. Now let us trace using a crayons. This is capital R. Okay, and this is small r. Okay, this is capital R, this is small letter R. Now here you can see something starting with R. What is this? Rose. R for rose, but the rose doesn't have any, so this is rose. Okay, R for rose, but the rose doesn't have any color. Okay, so you have to color me. It is written over here. So color the rose. Now here it is written, let's say Ram repairs radios regularly. So Ram starts with R, repair starts with R, radio starts with R, and regularly starts with R. Okay, so this is a small sentence using R words. Words starting with letter R. Ram starts with capital letter R and these three words starts with small letter R. Next one. Circle and count the words beginning with capital R and small letter R. They have given some small para, 3 sentences. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 sentences using which are having many words which starts with R. Okay, now let us read that. Rosie the rabbit loved the rains. Sometimes a rainbow appeared later. Of all the colors she loved the red in the rainbow. Wow! Rosie the rabbit loved the rains. So Rosie, name of the rabbit that starts with R. Then rabbit, the animal rabbit that also starts with R. Rain starts with R. Rainbow starts with R. Then of all the colors she loved the red color. Red starts with R. In the rainbow again, rainbow also starts with R. Okay. Now, let us first what they are saying, you have to circle and count the words beginning with R. So, let us first circle all the words that starts with R. It is clearly given, they have given red color for all the R words, right? So, you just have to circle them. Then what you have to do, you have to count the words beginning with capital R. Here there is Rosie. Any other word starting with capital R? No, there is just one word. Okay. Next, small letter R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 words starting with small letter R and 1 starting with capital R. Okay. So here you have circled and count. You have to circle and count the words beginning with capital R and small r, and you have written it over here. Okay. Now here you are going to trace and write capital and small letter R. Okay. Tracing means you are going to write on these dots. This is how you write R. You don't know how to write A, so first you will learn to trace, then you will write yourself. So this is how you write capital A. Okay, you are now tracing capital A. Then here you will write capital A like this. This is capital letter A, and you will write here also R, and then write these two lines also. Next, this is small letter A. Small letter A, R, and you will write here. Then again capital A. Then write two lines. Then this is small A. Okay. So children, here you are learning to write capital. You are just writing this many times. This is not enough. That is why I tell you after each videos I am telling you to write in your notebooks also, right? In your 4-lined English notebook. And so you have to write in one whole page. How will you write? One whole line you will write capital, like from top to bottom small, capital, small. This way, same way you have to write. You are writing, no, till now whichever all the letters you have learned, you are writing this way, no. I will send the message. When I am sending the message, write capital and small letter R in your notebook, one whole page. Then what will you do? You will write in the same manner. Okay, first you have to be careful, write slowly and neatly. Okay, then you will learn. Okay, so this is how you trace and write capital and small letter R. Now here my name begins with letter R. Here you have to stick a sticker. Now let us see. So these are the two options you have. You have rose, you have mango. Rose starts with R, yes, and mango starts with which one? M. Okay, so you have to take the sticker of rose and you will stick it over here. Okay, rose, R for rose. Okay, next one. Look at each picture, say its name aloud and trace its first letter. Okay, these are all you can see different pictures. Now let us see what are the pictures given. This is rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. Okay, so you have to trace R and say loudly rabbit, then trace R. Next you can see radio. Radio starts with R, so say loudly radio and you will trace R. Then next one, radish. Say radish. Radish starts with R. So say radish and trace R. Next, rocket. Say rocket loudly. Rocket. Then you will trace R. Next one, rainbow. Say rainbow loudly and trace R. Rainbow starts. Oh, sorry, not rainbow. It is ribbon. Okay, sorry. Yeah. It's ribbon. Ribbon starts with R. So you will say ribbon and then trace R. Next one, rock. Say rock loudly and then you will trace R. Next one. So here you have the picture of many things which starts with R. Rabbit, radio, radish, rocket, ribbon and rock. Next what you have to do, here you have a rainbow. So I had rainbow in the mind and I called this ribbon a rainbow. Okay, it's okay, no? Now here you have to trace and color the rainbow. Rainbow, you know how many colors are there in rainbow? Which are the colors? Vibgeo. There are 7 colors. Okay, you have to color in order: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, you have to color in the correct order. Okay, use only those colors. Okay, then only it will look like rainbow. Okay, use the 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and you will color the rainbow. Okay, now here you have your alphabet tower. Okay, here it is given K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. What is the next letter? P, Q, R, the letter you learned now. So you have to take the sticker from the last page of R and you will stick over here. So children, today you learned capital and small letter R, right? Now next day you will learn the rest of the letters. Okay? Till then, bye children.